Welcome back, dear learners. In this video, we are going to write our next vowels O and O. But before moving to O and O, let's revise what we did in the last class. Yes, how to write A and A. Yes, standing line, slanting line, standing line and a curve. And how do we write I? Standing line, slanting, one parallel standing, join from the middle, cover from the top, and then add a slanting line with a curve at the top. This becomes A and A that we learned in our last class. So in this class, we will start writing O and O. And as you can see, O is having one vowel hidden in it already. You can see which vowel. Can you identify which vowel it is which is hidden in this O? Yes, very good. It is A. So, in order to write O, we first make A, we cover it from the top, then we add a slanting line with a curve like this to make O. Easy? Let's try it once again. We first make A and then we cover it and then we add a slanting line with a curve. It becomes O. And to write the next vowel O, what we do? We make A, we cover it from the top and we add two slanting curves. Two slanting lines with curve for O. One slanting line with curve for O. Two slanting line with curve for O. Let's try writing once more. First make A, then cover it, then make two slanting lines with curve. Very good. Now let's try writing O and O together. O, O. O, O. O, O. O. So can you see how easy it is to write these vowels, these Hindi vowels? It's very fun and easy to learn this language. Very good. So this was our vowel O and O.